Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Before you start downloading, make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements. You'll need at least Windows 10, an Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, and about 50GB of free storage space. Check your specs first to avoid any issues. Step 2. Open your web browser and head to the official Electronic Arts website. Look for the FIFA section or search for the 2026 edition directly. You can also access it through the EA app if you already have that installed on your computer. Step 3. Click the download button on the FIFA page and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Electronic Arts account. If you don't have one, create it now. This account is essential for playing online and accessing your game library. Step 4. Choose your preferred installation location on your hard drive. Make sure you have enough space available. The download will take some time depending on your internet speed, so be patient and don't interrupt the process. Step 5. Once the download completes, launch the game from your desktop shortcut or the EA app. You may need to update graphics drivers and install additional software. Follow any on-screen prompts and you're ready to start playing FIFA 2026 on your PC.